So guys, today we have learned in checkerbox pattern. In checkerbox pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. So let's make an in checkerbox pattern. So the algorithm is going to be on your screen. Left second layer turn anti-clockwise. Middle layer clockwise. Right second layer turn clockwise. Upper second layer turn anti-clockwise. Middle layer turn anti-clockwise. Down second layer turn clockwise. Left second layer turn clockwise. Middle layer turn anti-clockwise. Right second layer turn anti-clockwise. Upper second layer turn clockwise. Middle layer turn clockwise. Down second layer turn anti-clockwise. Left third layer turn anti-clockwise. Right third layer turn clockwise. Upper third layer turn anti-clockwise. Down third layer turn clockwise. Left third layer turn clockwise. Right third layer turn anti-clockwise. Upper third layer turn clockwise. And down third layer turn anti-clockwise. See, this is a in checkerbox pattern in 7x7 Rubik's cube. See this formation. This is also cool. In checkerbox pattern. If you like this video, then like, share, subscribe and comment for more interesting and wonderful videos. Goodbye. See you soon next video.